Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you Shopify store owners out there. If you want to boost your sales and attract more customers, offering discounts is a great strategy. In this video, we'll show you how to easily set up and manage discounts on your Shopify store. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Access your Shopify admin panel. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. Step 2. Navigate to the Discounts section. Once you're logged in, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Discounts. Step 3. Create a discount. To create a new discount, click the Create Discount button. Step 4. Choose discount type. Shopify offers various discount types. You can choose product discount. Select the type that suits your promotion and enter the necessary details. You can choose any discount. Little bit option are change, then otherwise also are same. Step 5. Set discount details. Now it's time to set the discount details. See amount off products. And you change the method. And select anyone. And then text your Shopify discount code. I write big 35. And then click the Generate button. And then you can see the value. You can select percentage off fixed amount. So I can select fixed amount and type 1000. And then you can see that this option applies to. So I can select specific collection and then click the browser and I select homepage. Then the discount was apply. Then you can see this option, minimum purchase requirements. You can change this option or not. And then you can see customer eligibility. I can select all customers. And then scroll down, and then see active dates, and you can select starting date or ending date. Now your discount was ready to go. Click Save Discount. Once your discount is live, it's essential to monitor its performance. And that's it. You now know how to create discounts on your Shopify store. Offering discounts is a powerful way to attract more customers and increase your sales. If you're seeking assistance with anything Shopify related, feel free to get in touch through my LinkedIn profile. Just click on the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.